Key Data Dashboard has been working hard to bring smart revenue management to the vacation rental industry, and you've been on the leading edge of that movement. Some of the best revenue management minds in vacation rentals have been providing us feedback, and we're excited to be bringing you version 2 of Key Data Dashboard. While we've added some exciting functionality, the most important thing we've done is to make the system way easier to use. The most important reports surface first and are pre-filtered to the right information right where you need it, right at your fingertips. The first major change will be apparent when you log in. Rather than land on a screen with all the reports, you'll land on a company snapshot screen. This company snapshot screen is the improved standard pacing report. On every screen, we've now defaulted the KPIs to what are considered best practices. The company snapshot screen will now automatically update to the best practice dates as well. You'll enjoy a new date picker that is much more intuitive. Particularly, the date picker will generally be set to the current year as of today's date compared to last year as of today's date minus 1 year, same day of week. This will allow you to match up specific weeks year over year. You'll still be able to manually select dates and create and select custom seasons. So where did all the other reports go? To maximize report space, we've moved the menu into the left-hand ribbon. Clicking the hamburger button, you can expand the menu to get to the report you want. We've updated the sections of Key Data Dashboard from performance, benchmarking, and pacing to key reports, performance reports, and marketing reports, aligning the usage of the report with what you, our partners, are trying to achieve. For the average vacation rental manager, you'll love that we've created the Key Reports section, which are the reports you should be looking at to get quick insight into your data without having to dive too deep into the system. So, if you don't know where to start with Key Reports of Key Data Dashboard. What used to be the Performance Overview screen is now the Pacing Detail screen. If you operated in several markets, you'll find the new radio drop-down for choosing the markets you want to report on. You now can choose up to 5 additional KPIs that will show up when you hover over any primary data point. This will add context to the data you're looking at. You'll notice we've added the ability to annotate events within this report. We'll have a tutorial video for this feature. Please note that all of the filters will reset to best practices upon leaving a report. If you want to save a report filtering, you will want to hit the Save button and the report will display in the main menu under the saved reports. The Unit Core KPIs screen is now called the Leaderboard Report. Benchmarking wasn't highlighted enough in the current interface, so we've added benchmarking to the key reports. A brand new report was created to give you insight into the booking performance by date. By default, this report will show you your booking performance over the last 14 days. The performance screens will still include the executive overview, unit details, formerly all units, unit groupings, and market screen. The marketing screens now have their own section. This section includes the guest screen, which shows you where your revenue and guests are coming from. We pulled the guests by postal code table out and gave it its own report also in the marketing section. The marketing section now includes your guest check-ins by booking date, which was formerly called the monthly revenue report. On the guest check-ins by booking date screen, we've added the ability to see both the number of bookings and the revenue amount booked in a selected month for future months. Key Data now also includes a booking curve. The booking curve starts on today's date and looks at the past of when bookings were made for specific arrival dates. If you're looking for the unit groupings by marketing source, we've given that report its own screen as well. It is titled Marketing Source and can tell you what marketing source gives you the most revenue by month. For a detailed explanation of how to use any of the screens in Key Data, please find new videos for each specific screen in our brand new Partner Learning Center. Key Data Dashboard is fixated on providing our partners with a highly informative, easy-to-use, state-of-the-art dashboard. We continue to add more partners daily to provide you with the most valuable and robust data available.